Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Lee and I'm here to help you get the most out of Excel. Our video tutorials make it easy to learn the basics and everything else you need to know. Have you ever needed to generate a set of random numbers? If so, you've come to the right place. This tutorial will show you how to generate random numbers from 0 to 1, but that's not all. We will also take a look at how to generate random numbers within any range you define, whether you need whole numbers or decimals. I'll give it a go now. To generate random numbers from 0 to 1, try entering rand after clicking into the selected cell and typing the equal sign. Select the suggested function, then type an opening bracket followed by a closing bracket. Press Enter to generate a random number in the cell with Excel. In the Numbers section of the ribbon at the top, the number of decimal places can be adjusted by pressing either the increase or decrease decimals buttons. You can easily add or remove decimal places as needed. To generate more random numbers between 0 and 1, hover your cursor over the bottom right corner of the cell containing the function. Once you spot the plus sign, click and hold the left mouse button, then drag the function to the last cell you wish to populate, just like this. Now let's explore how we can generate random whole numbers within a specified range. Once more, let's select the cell, type the equal sign to start the function, then type in rand between. To generate random numbers, Excel requires two pieces of information, the upper and lower boundaries of the range. For this example, let's say that we want to generate random numbers with a range between 100 and 1000. Let's start by entering the lower bound of 100, followed by a comma, and then the upper bound of 1000. Closing the brackets and pressing Enter is all it takes. To generate additional random numbers, simply drag down the bottom right corner of the cell containing the function to copy it to the other cells. Let's take a look at how to generate random decimals within a desired range. We'll once again use the range from 100 to 1000. Click on the selected cell again and enter the equal sign. We should employ a different formula to generate these random decimals. First, enter 100 as the lower bound of the range. Then we need to enter a plus sign. Now we need to enter the resulting number we get from subtracting the lower bound value from the upper one. We will take 1000 as the highest value in the range and subtract 100 as the lowest. The result is 900. Enter this number into the formula you've begun and multiply it using the rand function. Type an open bracket followed by a closed bracket. Just press Enter and you're done. Excel has generated a decimal number between 100 and 1000 at random. If you need additional random decimals within the specified range, you can simply copy the function to the remaining cells using the same steps you've used previously. Finally, we'll take a look at a handy technique that can be used when creating random numbers. To generate new random numbers, simply refresh the formulas by going to the Formulas tab and clicking on Calculate Now. This function allows Excel to create a new set of random numbers in any cells containing the formula. To copy the values of random numbers rather than the formulas, check out our video tutorial, How to Copy and Paste Values Without Formula in Excel. A link to the video is included in the description below. Which of the three approaches will you try first? Please leave a comment in the section below to let us know. We eagerly await your response. If you found this tutorial useful, show us your support by giving the video a like. Is this your first time with me? Learn how to use Excel like a boss and become part of our online community. Hit the subscribe button and join Sheet Leveler's community today. I appreciate you watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.